Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix suspended Instagram account. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you're opening your Instagram app and you're getting this, we suspended your account, and you can also find here guys disagree with the decision button. So just simply have to tap on that and just simply have to follow the on-screen instruction. So you have to fill the form, and after that guys, they will review your account and hopefully they will unsuspend your account. Okay guys, so guys, you can also do this by following this way. Just simply have to close this page. Let me tell you that you can also create the new account on Instagram and just simply have to go to the help center from there, and you can easily contact with the Instagram team, or you can also open any browser in your device. Like I'm opening Safari here, and just simply have to search for Instagram help. So let me search for the Instagram help. So just simply have to tap on that and you can easily find help.instagram.com. Tap on that, and now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. And now from here guys, just simply have to search your suspended account. You can see here guys, here's the suspended account option. Tap on that, and now from here guys, just simply have to tap on that. And now from here guys, wait some seconds, scroll it down all the way, and you can see here guys, was this helpful? Just simply have to tap on no. Now you have to tap on other, and here you have to write that hello Instagram team, I want to open my Instagram account, but it's showing that your account has been suspended. Okay guys, so just simply have to write this one, hello Instagram team, I want to log in my Instagram, or I want to open my Instagram app, and I'm getting that your account is suspended. I think I have not violated any terms and condition of Instagram. If I did, I assure you I will not make this type of mistake again. Please unsuspend my account. So just simply have to write this one. So let me write something. When you write it guys, you can see the submit button. Just simply have to tap on submit, or you can also put your email ID here. Okay guys, if you have not associated email ID with your Instagram account, put the email ID because they will contact with you. Okay guys, so just simply have to put your email ID as well, and then you have to tap on submit, and Instagram team will contact with you on the given email account, and hopefully they will assist you, and hopefully your account will be back to you. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.